my team is burned out, what does that says about the way I'm setting expectations and leading them into the new year, coming new
Yeah,
year?
they're burned out because I think this is also relevant dun sa KPI, no? We are not setting defined and concrete expectations. Hindi natin sila binibigyan ng tangible output, 'di ba? For example, ang easy or quick example niyan is sales, 'di ba? Syempre, ang tangible output ng sales is the actual book sales. Siyempre, 100,000 per month. And then you can like play around with it depending on because as you know, pag nag-set tayo ng target, hindi naman lagi yan right away na achieve. You have to guide them also and help them achieve it. Diba? So by doing that, you don't set just only the sales target. You also set, say, the number of activities that they should do per month and then break it down per week. Like for example, as you know, sales is just a numbers game. To hit the target, you have to have about say 100 leads per month.